Alrighty, it is fireworks day here at the Anything Goes race. Woohoo! Get your free sparkler right there. Yay!
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 So Walter looked great. Stephanie's this nice popcorn over here. Nope, she's a cupcake. Anyway, let's go with this Anything Goes race. We are 3 races in. Amy tomorrow's in the Amy and Drog are tied with 20 points each. Woohoo! Yay! Amy and Drog. Yay!
Yay!
Yay! Okay. Cinders, you're in 3rd. Woohoo! Cinders! Yay!
Cinders.
Ella and Journey Texan are in 4th place. Or no, and also Amelie. Tied for 4th. 3 of them there. Woo. Yay! Soap, you're down to 7th place, but that's still very good. Yay!
Soap.
Thanks for racing last week. Luna's in 8th place. Luna. And our best in show last week was Drog with this goat thing with the star thing, like that. Okay.
The thing with the thing.
Yep, the stuff and things goes on and on here every day. Let's see. Always some more stuff. Okay, over here in the purple, there's Drog, and he has a wonderful snail made by, I forget, Naughty V-Mod, and it's got the fireworks shell. Very nice. Yeah. Yay! All right. We got Amy tomorrow, and she is the Statue of Liberty.
Yay!
Nothing on fire? No. It's okay.
Yes.
I see it now. That's statue fire. Okay. Cinders, who's made her own clothes today. Woo, she is fireworks lady. Woo, yay!
Yeah!
And she'll bounce into the sky, and you won't even be able to see her because she looks just like the fireworks. Pella, our international.
Very polite, yes.
Our international woman of mystery is over there in the blue, purple, pink. That one, the pink one.
One of those.
Yay, Pella!
It's a color. Okay, and Tindy, will you please launch this race?
If you insist.
Please do.
If I can get past the transparent invisible stuff.
Oh yeah. Okay.
He's gonna dance around and shake her booty.
Oh
This
yeah.
is where Racer should be singing, but he's not.
And stuff.
Yay and stuff!
Yay and stuff. Go. Yay. Okay, the cow's going up.
Nobody's on Amy's house. On Amy's.
Yay. Pieces are bouncing everywhere. The benches are away.
On our head.
It's just amazing.
There they go. Oh, that snail is pretty quick today.
Yeah, I'm not blocking you this time, Cinders.
No, you're
actually
not.
Short enough to be out of the way.
It's a good
It
thing.
feels strange. I'm so used to Drog looming behind there. Those broad shoulders.
All I see is shoes.
Okay.
Well, mine should be easy to spot. Red. Nobody makes sparkler shoes.
You can make your own.
I was gonna say there's
Sparklers plenty.
True.
Oh yeah, I see. I see. That's why you don't have you didn't have fireworks shoes today.
Yeah.
Wearing your sneakers, so you can
Yes,
jump
I
higher
am.
and run faster.
Well, Drog's doing pretty well for a slug.
Snail, slug
Snail.
shell.
True, true.
Yeah, you get rid of the
I was-
shell and you just turn.
You cursed me at the high bounce.
Blow up that newbie. All right, so it looks like blue. Amy is in the lead. Amy's been doing really well on these races. She just plowed through that sheep like it was nothing.
Hella's doing great.
Oh yeah, Pella's doing her cartwheels. She's on her way. There's fireworks and the pirates, and
It's party.
it's a party.
I don't know why. Sometimes when Pella's running, it's like she's running against a wind tunnel.
Yeah,
whoops.
sometimes.
She leans forward a little bit or something. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. That makes her go faster. Constantly falling forward. All right, cover our first lap. Coming in, Amy in the lead, and Pella,
Yeah.
and Cinders, and Drog. Oh my, Drog, your little snail's not cutting it.
Yeah, I don't think the mushrooms helped him.
Oh,
Not
it's a
at all.
mushroom. That's right. Yeah, he got stuck in those.
Oops. Whoa.
And a little spread out. Amy and Pella in the lead.
Whoop. Dog did better on the balls. Got ahead of me.
Jogs ahead and Cinders. Do your pants make noise when they explode like that?
No. I didn't think to add sound effects.
Because they were sort of in sync, and I was looking at them. Oh, yeah.
You're in sync.
Oh, do that for next year. How about that?
They don't look anything like a boy band.
The high bounce
Hey.
again.
Hey, my favorite boy band is back together again.
It's those Koreans.
Yep. BTS. Oops, sorry. Guess I shouldn't
BTS.
say their name.
Why?
Oh,
Is that-
okay.
That unlucky?
No. Huge fan.
You can say their name, you just can't play their music.
Oh.
Your
is
YouTube
that-
will go.
Oh, is
Yes,
that what
I
happens?
know.
Oh,
Yeah.
I see.
No. Up the ramp of multiples.
Whoop, 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 whoop. There we go.
Go, Amy, go. Oops, she got hit.
Oh,
Spring.
Doing great,
Lap
Pella.
number 3. It's
No, Pella,
Amy
go.
Tamara. Pella and Drog, then Cinders right behind. Ooh.
Yep, he came off of the ramp better than I did.
Went off to the ground. All right.
when you jump from the ramp, do you always jump 2 times or once?
Usually 2.
Depends
Yeah.
on the week.
You're lucky you can get away with one.
Yeah, if you hit it just right, you might get 1.
I think Amy hit the water.
Amy.
Oh,
is
no.
she in the bottom of the sea? No. Okay, it's getting closer. It's jogging slightly in the lead there now. Followed by our
a
Statue of
little bit.
Liberty and Hella doing cartwheels in the Statue of Liberty's dress there. Woo! Oh, go Sinners, go!
Go.
I think my sparklers are holding me back.
Yeah.
Wind resistance. resistance.
Let's see. Where did
High
Rock-
bounce for Pella.
Wait,
So
Rock-
come check down.
Oh, that was Pella that would high bounce.
Yep.
Oh,
They
look
gave me
at
a little
Rob.
push, which was nice.
You got a really good push. There's something hypnotic about the body movement in this frog snail.
Weighing back and forth.
Looks
Yes.
pretty cool. Yeah, it's like he's dance walking or something.
Like he's
If a
in a
slug
club listening to the band and he's swaying with the music. Whoa! There we go.
Okay. For the win! It's Drog, then Amy!
Good. And Cinder.
And where's Pella? Pella's
Pella.
Pella's
There
here.
she is.
Hey!
Hold on.
Let's get everybody back.
Okay, so winning the race, our snail Drog. Woohoo! Yay! Drog.
Yay,
Hi,
Drog.
Grog.
The Statue of Liberty of Amy Tamora. Woo! Yay, you're in second.
Amy.
Yay.
Third place, our fireworks lady, Cinders. Woo! Cinders, yay! And Pella! Great job, dude. Okay, fourth place. Woo! Yay!
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
really close, fella.
It's pretty close. All right. Yep, there it goes. Okay. Tindy,
Yes.
who is the winner of the best in theme?
She may have made her own clothes, but she's best in. So it's Cinders.
Cinders
Oh.
Bell comes up with a win. All right.
Yay.
Okay. Woohoo.
People like your handicraftness.
Yeah, yeah. Sometimes I wish I had clothes I could color.
Yeah,
I guess you
kind
can
of
buy those
tough.
online. Yeah, it's hard to find. All right. Anyway, that looks good. Okay, hop on the plane.
The
Time
plane.
for the plane. Boss, the plane. The plane.
This will be interesting to see how I hang on.
Oh, we might not be able to see you. You'll be camouflaged today.
Oh, there we go.
You're off.
That's my sparklers.
Yay for sparklers.
Fireworks everywhere. Ooh, ah. Okay, I think I remember how to do this. There we go.
Mouse look. Yeah.
Let's look.
Oh, Dramamine! Need Dramamine! It goes really quickly from in here.
You're on your last corner. Coming around for the bounce. Like she's gonna make another lap around the bottom there.
Dizzying.
There she comes. Alright, where's she at now? 50! And that's the hardest bounce she's gonna get, I think. 50! Yep! Yay! 50
Yay!
landed! Ooh, yay! Okay, if you gotta dance, dance. I guess.
See if this works.
Let's see here.
Now,
Dance.
can you dance? Yes, you can. Look at that. It works.
Yeah, kinda.
Thank you for coming, everybody! We'll see some of you tomorrow at the giant snail races.
Woo! Yay!
Thought I crashed, but everybody kept moving. But I was going, wait a minute, that can't be right. I had to click on the screen again to get my focus again. Anyway, oh good, the plane went back up. I think we're done here. Thanks everybody for coming. Happy Fireworks Day. Okay, Guy Shaw, Fox, and whatever fireworks day you have in your country.
Exactly.
Here in El Cajon, it's Fireworks Month. Every night, the neighbors get their fireworks out and blow up the street.
I live in the south, so it's fireworks and/or fire alarms.
Oh yeah, sure. Gotta get some bullets.
Celebrate your country by blowing up a small piece of it.
Look out, planes!
All right, happy weekend, everybody.
See you guys later.
See you next week, guys. Thank you.
Okay, let's see
All
you next.
right. Great
All right.
to see you, Pella.
Good. Thanks for racing.